Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wolt app. We will go to settings. Here on this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you are scrolling down until you find you're scrolling down until you find the application of Wolt. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you